Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 29 of our challenge. We're going to go over cross-posting on multiple accounts and platforms from your business Instagram account. In this challenge, you will learn how to automatically post to your other Instagram accounts and your Facebook business page from your original posting account. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. Let's get started. Oh, my phone screen fell asleep. Here we go. Let me reshare my screen real quick for you. There we go. All right, now we're rolling. Once you have your post ready to go, you can see I've got one with my little dog on here. If you need to catch up to this point, you just go check out our days 27 and 28 for our tutorials on creating and tagging your posts. So once you have it ready to go, you can see there are some toggles below. This will tell you where your post will be shared. So everybody loves a good pet post. If you guys want to follow Chopper, you can search his hashtag, get Bark to the Chopper. He does have his own Instagram account. So after you've added everything in here you want to, maybe I want to put, morning are rough. Oops, not fuff. Rough. Okay. So we're going to put that in there too. So, and just whatever you want in your caption there. I'm just going to hit OK. So I'm happy I've got my photo, I've got my text, I got a couple hashtags in there. Let's see, I want to tag Chopper probably because he's got his own Instagram account. So there's Chopper. So, I've tagged him in that photo. I'm going to hit done. Let's do a location. Okay, and now I've got my post all set up and ready to go. And you can see there's an option here called Post to Other Accounts. So these are my Instagram accounts that are hooked up to this Instagram app. So depending on how many you have, you'll see more or less in this section for you. So right now I have it set up to go to my Social Stack account. I can also click the little toggle next to Theater Junkie. Oh, I'm in my business page, so it's going to limit me a little bit here. So I can post to all these accounts. So as I mentioned, if you have other Instagram accounts connected to your app, you can turn the toggle on to share to multiple accounts at once. So I can share to all 4 of those accounts at one time. Below that section, you can also see the option to share to other social media platforms. Since we've already connected your Facebook business page, it should be showing up here. If you missed that step, go ahead and go back to day 25 for your challenge to get that set up. And you can turn that toggle on now and automatically share there at the same time as your post on Instagram. So I'm going to unselect these other ones. You can see as I select a bunch of Instagram accounts, it kind of limits me on the other places I can post. So once you have selected the ones you want, I'm going to just turn on the Social Stack. So you can see I have it going to the Social Stack on Instagram and the Social Stack on Facebook. Okay? And this is one of the things, let me bring that up so you can see that error again. So you can only post to one Instagram account when sharing to Facebook. All right? And then what else does it say? When sharing to Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr. So if you want to use one of the ones in the bottom here, in these sections, you can only share it to one Instagram account. So you can do all your Instagram accounts, or you can do one Insta and your other platforms. Okay? So let me know in the comments what accounts you will be cross-posting to. Once you have hit those toggles that you want, so like I said, we've got it going to my Social Stack Instagram and Social Stack Facebook. Just go ahead and hit share and it will go to both those platforms at the same time. Let me know, like I said, where you decided to share to, and then that will conclude our training for the day. So remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge. We're going to go over posting to your Instagram story from your camera roll. I'll see you then.